1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Coupe. Price, $22,750. Location, Oklahoma. The 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Coupe is a timeless icon of luxury and craftsmanship, representing an era when cars were built with elegance and attention to detail that is rarely seen today. Finished in a classic white exterior paired with a deep blue interior, this coupe captures a refined and sophisticated aesthetic that continues to turn heads decades later. The design of this W111 coupe is one of its most defining features, highlighted by the signature curved rear glass and graceful body lines. Chrome bumpers, the iconic Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, and steel wheels with original hubcaps all contribute to its unmistakable presence. This is not just a car, it's a rolling piece of automotive art that reflects the golden age of German engineering. The heart of this machine is a 2.8-liter M130 inline-six engine equipped with Bosch mechanical fuel injection. Paired with an automatic transmission, it was designed to deliver smooth and effortless performance. With features like four-wheel power-assisted disc brakes and power steering, this coupe offered advanced engineering for its time, ensuring both comfort and control on the road. The interior is where the craftsmanship truly shines. Step inside and you are greeted by beautifully finished wood trim, classic VDO gauges, and a period-correct AM/FM radio. The bucket seats with headrests, elegant two-spoke steering wheel with horn ring, and analog clock create an atmosphere of vintage luxury that feels both nostalgic and premium. Every detail inside the cabin reflects the meticulous hand-assembled quality that made these coupes so special. The W111 coupe models, including the 280 SE, were built to higher standards than their sedan counterparts, with more extensive use of premium materials and detailed finishing. This particular example is currently a project car and not in running condition, making it an exciting opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate the value of restoration. With the right vision and effort, this car has the potential to become a stunning showpiece once again. The 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Coupe is more than just a classic, it is a statement of style, heritage, and engineering excellence. For anyone looking to own a truly iconic vehicle, this coupe offers not only history but also the promise of revival into something extraordinary.